What is up, you guys? We're back with another Blackstone video. So it's been a very rainy day here and we've been stuck in the house all day, so I see a little bit of a clear sky, so I was like, why don't we make some dinner outside? I have a bunch of leftovers and we're just gonna like put them all together. It's not gonna be like an actual recipe, but we're gonna make it work. So let's get started. I've got some bell peppers here that have just been sitting in my fridge all week. So let's go ahead and use these up. Whoa, I didn't see it drop like that. And I've got some onions as well that I need to use up. I wish I could show my face and what I'm doing. It's so hard to get these cameras right. I'm gonna do a light salt and pepper seasoning. Nothing too crazy, because I am going to be using soy sauce. Something was missing. What do you think it was? Yummy. I've got it cooked pretty well now. I like it at this consistency. It's still a little crunchy, which is perfect. Got so much ground beef. So I have a little bit of a dilemma. Let me know what you would have done, because I'm gonna make a decision today. I'm for sure gonna add soy sauce to the rice that I'm gonna add to this. But I also got this teriyaki marinade sauce, and I'm like, should I add that to this now, or would like these two flavors clash? Because I mean, ground beef with like Chinese rice doesn't match anyways. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of it. We'll see. Let me know in the comments down below what you would have done. Just a little bit. Looking really good though, guys. Moment of truth. Good, it actually needs some salt. This is why it's so important to try your food. Good. I feel like I could still use a little bit of salt, but since we're going to be mixing this with some soy sauce rice, not really. Delicious. I guess that if there's ground beef in your rice and it's called dirty rice, I guess. I'll be right back. So this is actually white rice. I know it looks brown, because I like to make it with, what's it called? With chicken broth. Gives it a nice little flavor. It makes me have to use less salt, you know, in the water. I feel like I have to over salt the crap out of my water. And by the way, this is a 1 burner top Blackstone. So it heats up very quickly. Like, I can't really control the temperature too much. I'm actually at the lowest it can go. I might actually have to turn it off. And then just let it cook with the heat. I'm gonna do that. It's already sticking. I'm going to add 3 eggs. So how's your day going? Comment down below what you made for dinner tonight. It is a very hot day here in Puerto Rico. I think it's like, y'all, I'm feeling the sweat drop down my, but it's very hot. I think it was like 91 highest today. It might be like that. It's hella humid out here. Oh, I love me a glass of wine. Just one a day. Keeps the doctor away. I'm just trying to make sure the doctor don't come see me. I feel like these 3 eggs formed into nothing. You know, I feel like I tear these things up and I'd still be hungry. Oh, I forgot I turned off the temperature. I'm like, why is it taking so long for these eggs to cook? But as you can see, just the heat on the pan itself cooked these basically all the way through. I'm gonna put it on low. What are you doing, buddy? All right, I think these eggs are good. Let's incorporate this rice. I just thought of it, but it would be really good if I had some green onions that I could just add into here right now. Let's try this on the soy sauce. Wow, I added like the perfect amount. That's good. That's really good. Why is that so good? That is so good. I'm gonna add just a little bit more because I love salty stuff. So does he. Let's add this ground beef back in. Taste it. I need something. I feel like I need some more soy sauce. Y'all don't hate me, but I'm gonna add some more soy sauce. Whoopsie! It needs to be a strong soy sauce flavor to me. I like it really salty. Not like hella salty that's like unbearable to eat, but I mean like it's gotta taste like Chinese rice. You think at the Chinese restaurants that they try to take it easy on the salt? No. But I should have gotten a low sodium soy sauce. That's where I messed up. I think that's good. Any additional soy sauce can be added by whoever's eating this. The time has come to taste test. Obviously, I've already tasted it, and it's absolutely delicious. The green onions adds that touch of freshness that I so dearly love. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. And I hope you hung out with me, and let me know in the comments down below what you made for dinner. Don't forget. All right, bye. Mm.